Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page really easily if you're doing a live lead magnet. So again, that's anytime you're involved on the back end. It's not some sort of guide or email series being sent out. It's them booking in to see or speak with you for free. That's your freebie lead magnet. So your landing page is going to be just literally slightly different. So you're going to be in Mailchimp. You'll go to create. You're going to create a landing page. The landing page name can be, free consult landing page, whatever you want to call it. You're going to select the list it's going to. Now in this case, it's going to go to the same list that you originally had set up for your new clients and patients to go to through Acuity or Jane. So you're going to call that clients patients because that's what it was. They're all going to go to the same list because Acuity and Jane, unless you get kind of complicated, they can only integrate and sync with one email list. So everything's going to go to one email list. These new consults will get added automatically to your client and patient list, and then I'll show you sort of how to segment them a little bit different if you need to send them things separately in the following videos. So we'll just click begin. And now everything is the same as in the other videos I was doing. You can customize a logo, you can have a little image here, to show what they're getting if you wanted, but I don't know what you'll show them in this case. So maybe logo is nice, or delete it altogether. You can just delete up here. You can talk about what they're getting, the benefits of it, the results they're going to see. Now, normally they would be putting in their contact info to sign them up and get added to the email list. We're going to delete this here because it's a little bit different. Instead, we're linking them directly to the booking page, and that's where they'll book in their time with you, and they'll also give all their contact information. So you just drag and drop. Oh, it got put up here, so you just move it down. This is all really, self-explanatory. So it's down at the bottom. I would change this to something else, book my free consult, or whatever you want to call it. And then in here, you're going to put the web address to your Acuity link. So you'll go back to Acuity. This is that free private link. You're going to copy it. You're going to go back to Mailchimp. Just put it in here. And then you can get kind of crazy if you want. You can, change the colors. You can just make the button a lot bigger, like whatever you want. Change the font. Change the text size, all these different things. I think there's a couple other things too if you want, different, all kinds of things. I kind of like a full width, but it's a little aggressive. Maybe if you're doing that, you want to take the padding down a little bit. But again, you can decide on this. I don't even know what this is. Like, look, you can play around. See, I don't even know all the different things. Anyway, save and close. So now, again, they'll get sent to this page. This is what they'll see when they want to book a free consult. Book my free consult. And again, it will take them right to that booking page where they'll book in with you directly. And then through that booking page is how they'll get added to your email list for future emails. So you're just going to save and continue. You'll add a few other things here. So page title, I'll just call this free consult landing page. You can add your URL, free consult. And then it's ready to publish. So now this is the link to it. You can copy it. Here's what it will look like. Again, obviously, if you designed it with a logo and things, this is what it would look like. And then if they click, they get sent directly to this. They can schedule an appointment for a free 15-minute nutrition consultation. Here it shows everything, but again, like I showed you in the last module, if you had just set specific times, they'll just see that. And then, as usual, I'll just show you so you can see, 9:15, continue. This is where they'll put their contact information in. They'll put their initials in. You would normally have to add in a consent for adding them to your mailing list, and then you would complete the appointment. Oh, and I didn't add anything in, so I'll complete appointment. Oh my gosh, there we go. See how terrible I am at filling out my own forms? There you go. And this was what I had said, success, you're booked in. Really look forward to seeing you soon. In the meantime, check out my online community. I hadn't linked this to anything, so it's not a link, but very self-explanatory, right?